Did you know that Winster pluggable connections and cabling services are a game changer in sustainable cabling solutions, tailored specifically for modular builders and M&E contractors? At Vargo, we understand the importance of environmental responsibility in modular building projects. The Winster range of connectors and pre-assembled cabling is more sustainable than traditional wiring methods. Winster is easy to install, requiring less time and labour, which means reduced energy consumption. Winster connectors are maintenance-free, so less energy is required for repeat maintenance of electrical connections. Winster is modular, so a controlled factory environment for manufacturing means reduced material waste and more energy efficiency. Finally, Winster is reusable. The ability to reuse Winster connectors and cables when a room's layout on purpose changes. Winster helps in waste reduction and energy efficiency over the building lifecycle. Contact us to learn more about integrating Winster cabling services into your modular construction projects.